everyone, welcome back to the TechLog YouTube channel. Today for this video of TechLog, I will be showing you how to get My AI on Snapchat. So for that, open the Snapchat application first and then get logged in into the account. Now once you are logged in into the account, you need to tap on the message icon just beside the search filter icon. You tap that message icon which will direct you to the chat section. So for you to have that My AI on Snapchat, you do not have to do anything. Just you go to the message or chat conversation screen on your phone and My AI will be visible on the very top, as Snapchat has made it compulsory for the My AI to be on top above all the other conversation that you made on Snapchat. You can see the My AI option. As I have already started the My AI on Snapchat, there is no notification or anything. But if you are using for the very first time, My AI will be seen on top and you just tap that. Once you tap that, the AI will greet you just like this and you can start having conversation with your AI on Snapchat. I just type in, and once you type in the message, the AI will reply to you. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the TechLog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.